Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to solve mobile data is not working in Samsung phone. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to know how to fix Samsung mobile data is not working with 6 best fixes. Solution 1. Check if mobile data is enabled. Sometimes even when you enable the mobile data option from the quick settings panel, it is possible that your phone didn't start the mobile data. Also, if you are using a phone with multiple SIMs, there is a chance that you have turned on the mobile data for the wrong SIM. So, instead of checking from the quick settings panel, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Then, select Connections and choose SIM Manager. Here, select the mobile data option and select the SIM you want to turn on the mobile data. Solution 2. Restart your Samsung phone. If your mobile data is not working, try restarting the phone. Especially if you've been using your phone for a couple of days, restarting it can help fix a lot of software-related issues including mobile data not working. To do this, press and hold the power button until a menu appears. Select Restart. Wait for the device to restart. Solution 3. Turn airplane mode on and off. Sometimes mobile data fails to work due to minor network issues, but they can be easily resolved by reconnecting to the network. The easiest way to do it is by turning on and off airplane mode. You can toggle on and off flight mode from the quick settings panel. Solution 4. Remove and reinsert your Samsung phone SIM card. Safely remove the SIM card. Inspect it for damage, and then carefully reinsert it, making sure that it's firmly in place. Solution 5. Update your Samsung phone. Updating your Samsung mobile to the latest version is very essential as every Android update brings latest security patches, bugs fixes and new added features. So, let's try this method. Navigate to Settings. Scroll down to find and tap on Software Update. To check if new updates are available, tap Download and Install and wait till your phone checks for any latest OS updates. Solution 6. Reset your phone's network settings. The next method to resolve Samsung mobile data is not working problem is resetting your phone's network settings. To do this, you have to: first, open Settings. Then tap on General Management. Then, select the Backup and Reset option. Click on Reset Network Setting and choose Reset Settings. Wait for the process to complete. So, this is all about how to fix Samsung mobile data is not working. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with others and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.